So we're here on a Thursday. It's a religious holiday today, and the SM Mall was closed. What's the religious holiday called?
Holy Week.
Holy Wake. And then also in other news, they closed down the Jollibee. And I don't know why they closed down this Jollibee. It seems like they were getting good business here, but I guess not. I don't know. So I wonder what they're gonna put there now. You know? I wonder what they're gonna put in place of the Jollibee. Are they gonna put it? Are they gonna renovate or put another Jollibee? Who knows? I'm gonna check the South Star. I'm gonna check the South Star drug because I wanna check if they have some looking for like a hair trimmer and some like really natural detergent for my clothes without chemicals in it. So I'm gonna check the South Star and then I'm gonna check the Watsons down Fields Avenue because the Watsons in the SM Mall is closed. Let's take a look at this ice cream. This is my favorite ice cream right here. This mango yogurt parfait magnum, or they also have the golden cheesecake magnum bar, which is like pretty good ice cream. So they have pretty good choice of ice cream in here. They have like all the good ones. And they're having some sales over here, 15-20% off. Some things. See, this is the one that I was. This was the other brand of sunscreen that I was gonna get that was cheaper. But it was the blue one. It was no fragrance. It was like the only one that was no fragrance.
Extreme.
This one
35.
just a little cheaper. It just has, I guess, more chemicals. Not a sensitive skin. And yeah, it doesn't look like they have the detergent over here. Alright, so that's it.
No detergent.
Nah, no detergent. So I'm here at the Watsons on Fields Avenue and found this stuff over here. Sunbrella. And it's only 4.99 pesos, and it's supposed to be like a decent sunblock for sensitive skin. It's actually cheaper than the one that I got. It's property?
Property, yeah.
It's a little kawawa. It's a little kawawa.
Want to play the yard?
Kawawa. We just got out of the Chow's fruits and vegetables place, and we got some bananas and orange. It's 40 peso each. Yeah, so you get this big seedless orange for 40 pesos each. I'm not sure if that's a good deal or not.